Hey, what's going on YouTube? Hopefully you are seeing this video and you like it. If you like it, definitely subscribe below here. But what we're going to talk about today is the power of divergence and entering the market in the foreign exchange industry, folks. If you can get this one thing right here, you will have some phenomenal entry points and get in the market. And if you want to become a phenomenal scalper in the market too, this is a great scalping tool. So we're going to jump into the information here. If you're a brand new trader, feel free, definitely subscribe and follow my other videos on here. But I want to share exactly this system with you and how to enter the market. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin. So far I've been excited and how this works. So first of all, let's talk about what is divergence. Okay, I'm going to show you divergence here, but let's talk about what it is first. Okay, divergence in the Forex market, kind of see some pictures here. But divergence is when the price of an asset, okay, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto or stock out there, is when the price of an asset is moving in the opposite direction of a technical indicator, such as an oscillator, or is moving contrary to other data. Divergence warns that the current price trend may be weakening and in some cases may lead to the price changing directions. So this is always called the trader's secret, okay? And so what is the trader's secret? Let's show you exactly how it works right here. So we're looking at an opportunity. First, let's show you what divergence is so that your eyes can get calibrated, okay? So when we talk about indicators, what I have here is an RSI and a stochastic, okay? And so when you're looking at the current price, we can see price what came down, boom, hit this support point here, went back up. And but when we look at our relative strength, right, this is about strength. So this is seller momentum, okay? Seller strength is happening here, which we haven't seen here. And look, this all looks exactly the same, right? When we see this, price is matching up exactly the same as our current price here. And then price drops, okay? A lot of selling pressure, okay? A lot of selling momentum. And then we get to this point, no big deal, okay? Boom. And then price reverses up on our RSI. Price reverses up here, no big deal. Okay, we go up, price is still the same. Here's when we get it, where you see price actually breaks past this previous point here, okay, and comes down to this area here. But when you look at the RSI, price did not break that previous point. Their price actually reversed before that. So this is where we have conflicting or contrary information, both on the stochastic and the RSI. And the more indicators that you have that show you that contrary information, the better off you are at entering the market the right way, especially if you understand candle formations as well too. So we can see we got a doji candle right there. And so I'm going to give you the perfect entry for scalping in the market, especially trading in Bitcoin or Ethereum. It works for all of them. If you kind of can see, right, first of all, we get that doji candle plus divergence, it's game over to end of the market, at least for a couple hundred pips, or for this example, it's about 600 pips that you could have caught, okay, one swift in less than an hour here, okay? So let's just take a look at how this looked. So we can see price shifted down and we go straight price. The strength actually shifted up. So we can see that sellers were leaving the market, more buyers were into the market, and then boom, we got our entry right there, doji candle. We enter the market and we capture, let's see how many pips we would have got if we would have entered the market right when we seen that divergent point there, okay? We go up, boom. Okay, we're talking about 611 pips in the market. That could be $600. Okay, that could be $61. That can be $61,000, depending on your lot sizes that you're running here. Now, what I see here, I always run this line all the way up, just like a trend line on my RSI. Because what do I expect? I expect that to come down here, bounce back up, and then break. And of course, you guys can see I ran a stochastic from bottom to top, looking for a buy entry. Okay, past our 61%. Okay, past our 78%, now it's respecting the 78%, and we got divergence. So we are expecting that shift up here. For those who are looking at 61, if it bounced above the 61, we're looking for price to go up to 48,000. But long story short, just scalping in the market, just look at what information that you have. Okay, we clearly see there's divergence here. There's contrary information here. So we will look for our entry on this form. Now, look at the same thing. Now let's look. We looked at, this is called bullish divergence. If we see here, okay, it all looks the same, okay? There's no divergence that's happening here. So when you start understanding how to do this, you get in the market. Let's look in the previous past. Let me show you another one here so you can get this. So same thing here. We can clearly see from this point to this point, it goes down, right? So let's go. This is another divergence that's happening. Bullish divergence happening here. Would have been a great entry for the market, okay? And it happened several times. It's a transition of the market, and I'm going to show you how it transitions to get to this point here. So there we have price goes from here to here, but when we go down to our RSI, which strength-wise, we can see where RSI, where it got weak, okay? And we've seen the change in, see that right here, you see the change in direction. And so look at this transition here. Let me just circle everything for you right here, okay? First price never broke right here. So this was our point of transition reversal. So if you would have got there, you could either scalp this, got out of the trade there, okay, or if you would have stayed in, okay, we can see that just like what's happening here, this is trending up. So this is going to do exactly what this did. This is going to do this and head up this way. So here we go. See, price came up. So we go from here to here. This is where the trend change happened at. Boom. See that? And there, trend change happened. Okay, so when you start understanding these transitions in the market, you will have no problems with entry points, and you'll sharpen up your entry. So that's a quick tutorial about how to enter the market. You know, whether you're trading Forex, whether you're trading the Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it all works the same. So I hope you receive some value. If you receive value and want to see other videos like this, make sure you subscribe below to my video here. And thank you for checking in. Peace.